Hi, this is Mike, and just quickly following up on my previous video. Since then, we've seen some pretty interesting price action here. I thought I'd explain what I think it is. First of all, I'm just going to remove this E. Actually, I won't remove it, I'll just move it down here somewhere. Get rid of the two. I think this is going to go down. And the reason for that is simply because of the structure. Now, how far down it goes, that's another question, right? So remember, I told you it could be still unfolding D wave, or it could be an E wave. So it still could be an E wave. It just means that wave one is weak and wave two is what you're looking at now. I think it's completed already. So I'll quickly just label this up just to explain what I see. So we have A there. Now I'll just go to, sorry, the 1 minute chart. So you see that A. So what I can see here is, I'm not going to go crazy with the colors. So I can see a B, C, D, E, which means we break this low here, possibly going to go lower in wave three of this E wave, or if it's simply put, if it's a zigzag, then basically we can just go the length of wave A, if that's what it is. So I'll quickly just fix this up a little. Yep. Okay. So our stop would be at the highs here if we were to short this, right? So basically we have a small stop. This is just, for example, educational purposes. So here is a 2. Now, why do I believe this is not going to go any higher? Well, if it did, it'd probably break the highs, and that would mean that it's going to continue higher. But why would it continue higher when it's produced this pattern, right? This pattern says a lot. Okay, the fact that this move here was weak, to me, that tells me it was an A wave. Even though it didn't go as high as the initial move, it showed weakness basically. So if you go pull out the fib, it hit that 0.618 and rejected it, and then came back up, rejected it again, and now it's not looking too good. Now, I'm more inclined to think that it is an E wave, simply because it looks like a D wave. That pattern looks like a D wave. An E wave is looking weaker, but nonetheless, it's an E wave. So regardless of anything, we gotta respect that much, right? And last time I saw this pattern forming, we saw this move here in C. It was right here at small degree. If I take you back on the 5 minute, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, it's probably going to be too small for the 5 minute, but I'll just go down anyway. Basically here, I saw A, B, C, D, E, and then we saw the massive move down, right? So that very similar pattern is happening now. It just looks a little bit bigger, might be a little bit weaker, but nonetheless, you should just be careful with this type of stuff, just because. So therefore, moving through this now, like, it's probably just a matter of time before it moves lower. Because, like I said, with RS wave, there are certain patterns that occur in the market, and when you see something that is basically going in the opposite direction, you need to be ahead of it. You need to not ignore it, and kind of like do something about it if you can. So just a quick update, and I'll keep you posted on any future movements as always. Thanks for watching.